Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Following that, click on Advanced, scroll down just a bit, and click on Font Size. Lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust your font size. Check out preview above, and when you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!